Hi to everyone. In this lecture, I'm just going to discuss about a radix sorter. Okay. Actually, this is a sorting technique which will be used by the card sorter. Here, the set of numbers are given. We are just going to sort these numbers using radix sorter. Actually, radix sort can be used. Can be implemented by using the least significant bit or else by using the most significant bit. Okay, so here we are just going to sort these numbers by using the least significant bit only. And another one thing, before starting the sorting process, at first we have to trace the radix value. You just see here, here the numbers are given. Okay, so you can take the radix value as 10. Why I am taking 10 here means because the number ranges from 0 to 9 only. It means you will have the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, you will have the numbers with these combinations only. That's why here we are taking radix value as 10. In case if the list of names is given means by that time you can take the radix value as 26. What's the necessity for taking radix value as 26 means because the alphabet range is 26. Okay, that's why if the list of names are given means by that time you can take the radix value is equal to 26. But here since the numbers are given, we have taken the radix value as 10. Okay, now let's see how these elements are sorted by using the radix sorter. Okay, so since we have mentioned radix value as 10, at first we have to draw the table. In the first column you can write here is input. Okay, and then you have to create the pouches. So here first write 0 and then 1, then write 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 8, and in the last one 9. Okay, so in such a way you have to draw the table. So draw it. Okay, so write the inputs here, 348, 143, 361, 423, 538, 128, 321, 543, 366. Okay, so now what we are going to do it here means, since I have mentioned clearly as we are going to sort these numbers using the least significant bit. So you have to first take the first input. What's the least significant bit? It's 8. So you have to write this number in the pouch which is having the 8. So here you have to write 348, and then 143 means you have to put it here 143 since the least significant bit is 3, and 361 means you have to write it here, and 423 write it here, and 538 means you have to write it here 538, and then 128 again in the same thing, and then 321 you have to write it here. Okay, then 543. So write it here 543, then 366. Okay. So since the last bit is 6, you have to put it here. So 336. Okay. So now what we have to do it here means then you have to write the numbers from the 0 to the 9. In the 0th column we are not all having any numbers, but here we are having 3. In the first column we are having the numbers now, so we are just going to write that numbers in this order. We are going to write it. So the first number is 361 and 321, then 143, 423, and then 543, next 366, and then 348, then 538, and then 128. Okay, so this is the output for the pass 1. So by using this output we are just going to do the pass 2. So kindly remove these things. So what I am just going to do it here is, in the past one I have considered the least significant bit, that is I have considered the digits in the ones place. Now I am just going to consider the digits in the 10th place. Okay, so the first number here is 361. So actually the input will also be changed. You can write here 361 means the 10th place is 6, so you have to write it here 361, and then 321 2, right? So you have to put it here. Then 143, you have to write it here 143, and then 423, you have to write it here. Then 543, so you can write it here 543. 366, write it here 366, then 348, 348, 538. So 538 means we have to put it in the here, since second bit is 3, and then 128, we have to write it here. Okay, then we have to write these numbers in this order, so that the output of the pass 2 will be what are the numbers. So first one is 321, and then 423, 128, and then 538, then we are having 143, 543, then 348, and then we are having 361, then 366. Okay, so next this is the output for the pass 2. Next we should go for the pass 3. During the pass 3 we have to consider about the third digit. Okay, so we can erase these things because the input will get changed, no? So erase it. Right. So what I am just going to do it here means the output of the pass 2, which will be considered as an input for my pass 3. So here 321, I have to consider about the big digit in the 100th place. Okay, so 321 means I have to put it here because the third digit is 3. Okay, and then 423. 423 means I have to put it here, 423. Then 128, I have to write it here. 538, so I am writing here 143. So here then 543. So 543, 348. I can write it here since the third digit is 3. Okay, and then 361, 361, then 366. I can write it here. Okay, yes. Now the output for the past 3 is, so I have to write it here. I'm erasing it. Okay. Now you can write it in this order: 128, 143, and then 321, next 348, 361, 366, and then 423, 538, then 543. Okay, so now you just look into these list of numbers. All the numbers are in the sorted form. Is it necessary to continue for past 3 means, past 4 means? It's not all needed. Why? What's the reason is because at the end of the past 3 itself, we will get the result. Okay. How we can identify the number of passes means the number of digits in the maximum number of digits in your numbers. Easily you can identify the number of passes. For example, here the maximum number of digits in the items is 3 only, so you can have 3 passes. In case if you are going to sort 4 digits numbers means by that time you will have the 4 passes. Okay, so at the end of the 4th pass you will get the result in case if you are using the 4 digits numbers. Okay, so this is the easiest way to sort the numbers. Since we have used the least significant bit for sorting the numbers, we can say this is L or radix sort. In case if you are using the most significant bit means by that time at first we have to consider the MSB in the pass one, and then second digit, that is the digits which is present in the 10th place will be considered for the pass 2, and for pass 3 a digit which is present in the ones place will be considered. Okay, so you can perform the radix sort either by using the least significant bit or else by using the most significant bit. I hope that you can understand the concepts clearly. In case if you are having any doubt, kindly post your queries. Thank you.